Hey guys, hope you're doing good. I'm Rajat and you're watching TechPay. I guess you all know that WhatsApp had recently released a new feature in their application, and that was a fingerprint unlock. Well, this is a very short video where I'll show you how to use the inbuilt fingerprint unlock feature which was recently updated by WhatsApp. So let's get going. Well, all you have to do is just open up your WhatsApp and then you gotta go to your settings, and then you can look into your account and then privacy, and in the privacy you can go ahead and check out the fingerprint lock. So here you just have to give you an access to unlock with fingerprint, and then it'll ask you to touch the fingerprint, and as I have the on-screen fingerprint sensor, I'll just give a try to it. So it's detected, and here it'll give you multiple options on when you want to automatically lock it. So I'll just leave it at the default, that's 1 minute. So yes, here it is. Let me open up the WhatsApp and test it out. Yes, here it is. Let me just unlock it, and yeah, here I get my whole thing. So that's it. It's pretty simple.